Today we are going to know the sounds of AY and AI. So both are sounding as the alphabet A, long A, okay? Alphabet A means long A. So if your child struggle to read, then this is the video, okay? Our long A pattern. If you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe, and please follow and subscribe Kidoctive Homeschooling. Okay, so let's start. As I say, A-Y, A. So you can find A-Y at the end of the word, like here. Ray, stray, then day, then away, then hey, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, so these are the examples. Now we will see AI. AI also having the long A sound. Okay, so you can find most commonly AI at the middle, AI at the starting also, but there are few words. Okay, and some uncommon or usually in foreign words like Shanghai, Thai, samurai. So these are, you can find AI at the end. Okay, so here we are going to find out where are the AI words. Okay, paint. Okay, ing, raining, rain, ing. Okay, now brain. Okay, now lead. Okay, chain. Okay, so most commonly you can find AI pattern in the middle, and with few words you can find at the starting or beginning. Those are 3-letter words like aim, aid. Okay, so now you are going to find out any words where you can find the pattern AY and AI. Do let me in the comment section. Keep learning. Thank you.